Hey, let's see bindings in Blazor. Go to your project, create a razor component where you want to bind your objects. First, we use bind to show how bind works with input. Create an input field to bind the object. Create the property of the object. We take name, so we use string property. Now, you can display the object. To show the page in project, create a nav menu of the page. Run the project and see the bind works. Now try to do binding with bind value and use an event handler this time. The major difference is bind is shorthand for setting a value and change event on elements, while bind value is used to bind to a specific parameter, like value, in Blazor components. Thanks for watching. If you find it useful, give us a like and follow for more.